What forms Britain's identity and how does that help for your identity?
Britain's identity is the currency, which is the pound and fish and chips.
Be European.
Now would you consider yourself a person from Winnerall?
I'm not from Winnerall. Right, but I'm from West Brom, so it's not a million miles away. So, yes and no. We're obviously European because we're in Europe.
Just a hole, and it says that it feels like EU because he says that because he's a language teacher at our school.
He says he's from West Brom, but he feels like he's close to
Would
Winnerall.
you consider yourself a person from Winnerall to be European and why?
Well, I think I'd consider myself to be British first, and then possibly European.
Do you think the UK should be part of the EU and why?
Well, yes, I think that the EU now gives so much business to us as a business enterprise that if we weren't part of Europe, I think we would suffer business-wise.
Do you think the UK should be part of the EU and why? Many people have said that we should be a part of the EU because else we'd suffer business-wise.
That's true, that is.
The question, how do you see your area in 100 times from now? They've answered pretty similar, saying that we'll be dead.
Do you think there'll be the great empire could they bring back that great empire that they once were?
No, nobody's ever again going to have an empire the way the British had the empire, and lots of people knock the empire. But I would say of the empires, it was probably the best because it was the most kind to the people who were in it. And in fact, some of the countries actually didn't want to leave when we told them it was over. And some have applied to rejoin, like Fiji, who have said, sorry, it's finished.
Do you think the UK should be part of the EU?
I don't think we should. I think we spend far too much money in Europe. Greece is in trouble, and if we keep helping other people out, we're going to be in trouble.
How do you think England will sit in 100 years' time in the world?
We're becoming a more and more minority nation. From once having an empire and ruling the world, we're just shrinking away.